Welcome YouTube family once again to my channel. I'm happy to have you guys on my channel today, and I have lineup of content that is going to help you to improve your business, and also I provide stay home opportunities and I provide full-time opportunities on how you can easily make money. So stick with me and watch this video to the end as I show you how you can promote your services as an entrepreneur. Most people are looking for ways in which they can promote their services. Now, I'll be sharing with you this free website in which you can promote your services. So, without wasting much of your time, let's go through it together. The name of the website is called jiji.ng. If you've watched my previous video, I've been able to share um, and content relating to jiji.ng. And if you remember, I've talked about how you can promote your services on this website, which I hope you guys have been able to try it, and I hope you guys have been able to get something profitable out of this website. Also, if you're having an Android phone or an iOS phone, just quickly go to the Google Play Store. So go to your Android Google Play Store. Very good. So over here, just type jiji.ng. Then you click on it. So this is the app. So it's good you have the app on your phone because the interface on your phone is more reliable and easy to operate when you are using your phone on jiji.ng. So you simply download and install it over here, and you can get started. So that is all for Gigi. So if you are using an iOS, which is an for iPhone users, just go to your iOS store and do the same thing. Just type jiji.ng. As you're done with that, you can easily download it and start working and start promoting your services on jiji.ng. So I hope this information helps. So let's just go through how you can promote your services on jiji.ng. So as you can see here, you click on services. So these are different services on this website. Look at delivery in Lagos, fast and reliable. So these are dispatch riders. So imagine you are a dispatch rider and you have promote your services here. You can easily get people to call you for those services. So we have thousands of services on this site. Look at different services. So you just go through it one by one. So, but regardless, we are not just to check what people are posting. We also want to post our services and get people to um, do business with us. So that is the basic thing we are trying to get over here. So over here you can see different type of services categories that you can offer on this site. So you go through it one by one depending on the services that's related to your category. So that's what you are going to pick. So let's just go through how you can do that on your own. So let's go back. So I need you to know that once you are registered, you have full access on this site. So this is just how you can do it. So as you can see now, it's asking for Google Gmail and it's asking for Facebook. So either of the two. So let me just sorry, let me use my mail. So yeah, we're good. So you click on the categories. So just look at it. You go down. You can see services, right? So you click on services. So depending on the categories of services you want to provide, you you click on it. So let's just go for computer and IT. Then you pick your location. So over here, you're going to select an image that is relating to the services you are trying to promote. So let's just go to the next. So over here, let's just say I repair all types of computers. So over here now you can say I repair all types of computers. So it could be desktop, it could be laptops. So the company name, let's just put digital media communication. So depending, it's not necessarily you having a company name. So you can just, maybe you have a name that you think that could relate to what you are trying to promote. So depending on the services you're trying to promote. So this one is digital media communication. So it's kind of relating to computers. So let's just look for the type of service. So let's just say programming and tech specialization. Let's say support and IT, desktop and laptop. So we're done. So now this is what you're going to do. So since the title said I repair all type of computers, so you're going to put a description that is relating to what you are trying to repair. So depending on what services you are trying to promote, so you include your price range over here. So as soon as you do that, you can put your phone number, the phone number that people can easily reach you. As soon as you're done with that, you can see no promotion. It is on no promotion. If it's over here, you are going to pay 2,899 naira within 7 days. Listen, so if it's over here, you are going to pay for 1 month 20,999. So the but for the first promotion, you can see here it is free. So as soon as you are done, just make sure all the categories and everything you are trying to promote is in order. As soon as you're done, just click on post ad and you're done to post the ad. So people all over Nigeria, listen, all over Nigeria, depending not even all depending on your location, all over Nigeria, people are going to see this ad, and it is a free advert for you to promote your services. So I would like you guys to try this, and let's see how you've been able to promote your services on jiji.ng. So I hope this helps. So if you've been able to get value from this video, kindly click on the like button so that most people that have they are looking for information like this can easily get access to see this video. Also, click on the subscription button and click on the notification bell, because I'm going to be dropping videos like this from time to time, which is going to help you in the course of your career. See you guys, creatives. I'll be seeing you guys in the next side of the hustle. Goodbye.